I call bike illiterate when it comes to mechanics and anything to do with fixing a bike. I definitely, when I've done it myself, I'm more, do more harm than good when it comes to it. So I thought I'd do a little video, just a little short one of me changing my tyre. Because what I'm going to do is swap it to a different wheel, a new front wheel that a friend of mine, Luke's, given me to use for the meantime till I get a new one. So I'm going to do a wheel change because I am terrible at all of these things and will definitely probably cut my finger several times over. So here we go. So what I noticed was I've now got a broken tool. So we're going to put the new one in here. Okay, that's that bit in, so we tube it in, so now this is where it gets tough now. This is the last bit, everybody knows about this bit, don't they? And that's the tool broke. And as you can see, it's on this part here, and just like that, there you go, all done, dusted, nice and easy, so quick, so flash. Obviously, I was joking, and my bike illiteracy has shown no bounds. I had to get somebody else to help me.